Nope, never use Bollinger Bands. I also never use Fibonacci, RSI, MACD, and all of those things. Yep. And the reason why I don't use things like MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci, it's not that they don't work. They do work if you understand how to use them and how to understand when to use them. But the problem is, I think it's very dangerous to use too many indicators. Like some people I've seen like their charts, there's like indicators everywhere. You can barely see the price because there's so many indicators. And that's when things start to, go badly, I think. You always want to use as few indicators as possible. Price and volume are the main indicators. And pretty much everything is calculated from price and volume, all the other indicators. So I choose to use moving averages and VWAP only, just so I won't get confused by too many indicators on my screen. And it's even worse if they show contradicting signals. I just don't want to get confused. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, they have all these indicators that people don't understand, and they're like, oh, let me teach you how to use these. Absolutely. I also used simple and exponential. I used the exponential on this 60-minute charts and the simple on the daily and weekly charts.